My people, thank you for stopping by. This video I will be bringing you a summary headline news of wetin dey happen for our country called Nigeria. As it take be now, so many things is going on, and some of you wey no dey go read, I go dey summarize them for you on this particular video. As you can see on this particular headline, e don happen. Now this thing na make we dey talk. If we say this country Nigeria, e go hard. Na only God's intervention na him go fit save us. See am now. Wike, El-Rufai, Oyetola make list as Okpabio unveil ministerial nominee today. This news just dey come out today. Today will be 27th July 2023. They don dey rush to range people inside seat. People wey no go allow Tinubu to go down again. People wey go dey there, they share the national cake. People wey go dey, because they are not going there to go and work. They are going there to go and share the national cake. They go dey share am. And as they share am, the West they collect them from them. 90% of this money wey dem dey steal, e no dey for their hand. They go still go rake their house, carry some of them, then they put them for abroad bank. Now, wetin me I dey pray, if you dey read this news, I dey pray make this katakata burst. See Wike, I just develop hatred for that man wey they call Wike, because he is a backstabber. He stab, or he is never to be trusted. So, and I believe say the Northerners they go show am pepper. All these people when they do things with, in things ain't get power, but God go show and say there is nothing where you take with trick will go ever work for you. Now, the thing is that they are arranging who go take this. If you read them by yourself, no time to read all this there, because what thing that they read here, now they are somehow rushing. They are having issue internally. Who go dey here, who go dey there, who wanna go take this one, who no go, because this is what they are up to. So I just want me you see say then the nominee is going on, who the Minister of Health, the Minister of Road, who go dey chop for this side, who go dey for mineral resources, who go dey the chop oil money, who go dey control this. This is all they are after, and this is what Wike is made of. Another news why I carry come, the headline says just in, there won't be a delay paying July salary, as she said. And who they talk this now by Deborah Tolu Kolawole. She is the Accountant General, Federal Government, the FG. So this promise has just come out on the 25th July this month, 2023, and they are like, having said that, if you read here, it is telling us say the June was delayed. Why? And there were questions where they come the answer here about the palliative allowances where they promise. In other words, the people the people never still they see the money. So whether the salary where they go get for this July, it go add with the money for the palliative. You know, how come that she come reply say the committee that was set up for the government was still looking at the idea of transportation allowance among others. Now the two way they talk with this, where they won't bring in the palliative allowance and transportation allowance. So why then did you remove the fuel subsidy? People will just be suffering for nothing. We are just blind. You know wetin be say blind lead blind. This is wetin we dey go through. I don't believe we are heading anywhere in that country. See wetin the news they talk. They are only promising you July to pay salary early in July. What of other months? Wetin go come dey happen after this July? Now so you go come promise for August. Now so you come promise for other months ahead. As you can see her now, if she talk otherwise, her life will now be at risk. She is not owning up to her responsibility, because someone is engineering her, telling her what to say, where to go, where to put mouth, where not to say, and so on. We dey for wahala, this may God help her, Tolu Kolawale. It seems to be good news, but me no find good news for her. Among all the bad news, why don't they carry they come? Make I still give you this gist, na good one. This our popular singer, popularly known as his name Davido. Davido don't see wetin this good girl did. Say she returned the money wey she saw at the hotel. As she see the money, she no carry and go home. No be say she dey rich, but this young lady just returned the money. This story seems very legit. Davido pledged 10,000 US dollar for hotel worker who returned 70K, 70,000 US dollar. This is the news, and this thing they happen for this July, 23rd July 2023. So this is just fresh news, and her name na Ngozi Mary. So if you see this news, what I want you to learn from it is that to do good still worth it. Even if the people no reward you, God will still bring someone else that will reward you. Doing good, if you no reap am, your children will still reap it somehow, somewhere. Many people are enjoying what they did not even work for. Some of these things now, their father, people will know them, someone that prayed for them, someone somewhere. Nothing happens for nothing. This is just very important. So as the news comes surface now, the video can't tweet. Like, let me just read this news a little bit. By Madoka Madoka Abunago. Nigerian music scene, that is the person where bring this news, where post time for Punch. Nigerian music superstar David Adeleke, known as Davido, has reacted to a post that revealed that the action of an Eco hotel and suit worker, Kekwaru Ngozi Mary, who returned a misplaced 70,000 US dollar to a customer in Lagos. The Afrobeat superstar tweeted via Twitter handle on Sunday, find her for me. I donate 10,000K. So this news is very interesting. I don't just believe it's the money alone. There is what I called legacy building and verified personality. She has been verified now in the eyes of the population, or popular the people. Like me personally, I can see her anywhere, anytime as a truthful person, because this is how it is. How 70,000, if such temptation come for me, now only God will save me. Make I just be honest. This particular topic, this headline here, is very interesting because it's good to tell our people the truth. There are people who know they like to mind their own business. They will just do anyhow they like. To live your life, you can live it how you want on your own. But the moment it trespass, it becomes danger, toxic. So this sentence here says, get help, stay away from Simi. Adekunle Gold warns Brymo. So there must have been an intruding element before this warning can be issued. Something done they happen somewhere, somehow. Something done they fish out. And so my point on this news is be say, so many stars, in fact, people will be star now, then they are their own, they show up. But so many things, this kind of thing they happen. You will see pastor or counselors. You will see people where they father people. Before you know it, you don't they trespass. There are always boundary. Probably this Adekunle na Brymo just want to assist Simi in one way or the other. But the moment the thing don't they reflect, you are already trespassing. So be warned, stay away, especially married ones, either the man or the woman. Mind your boundary. It is not about the person's reaction, it carries curse. There is curse where they follow this kind of thing. Where you don't they trespass, they go talk, you be who? You be the papa of the girl or what? So they have issued warning now to Brymo. Make it no stay they put hand for Simi issue. So now them know what they happen between two of them. So but my point of saying it is, even when you want to render help, mind how you they put that help. Mind no trespass. Even if possible, be transparent between the husband and the wife. Else, your help will become misunderstood. You know. This particular news go dey very interesting for our people where they travel, they go Dubai, where they travel here and there. If you just get small money, you go just waka comot. Get small money for flight, especially now where London come dey high. People go dey troop they enter Dubai. This is holiday, and this American influencer, she is now facing jail term just for screaming. She screamed, she yelled. Altercation violation. So she violated the Dubai's law. You shouldn't scream. You shouldn't shout so high, especially when you are nervous or yelling at people anyhow in the public space. It's not allowed. People where so I believe say some people where they live inside Dubai no know this law. Some of our people will still dey for Dubai because our people know they good in hearing news. If we just hear, we go just hear rumor. This one say this one, social media boost. But I bring you this particular one because it will help you, it will save you. Because this woman no know. She did an American, of course, na Daki. Na home upbringing she and her mother dey there for comment here. They interviewed her mother. She dey defend her, saying that the worker. Anyway, let me first tell you what happened. What happened be say she went to Dubai for vacation. She rented car. As she rent the car now, she used the car. Somehow the car come bash somewhere, can't get accident. So you know how it be now. If you bash someone's car, probably she don't have enough money. She will have to pay. There are some insurance payment that will cover that accident, and maybe she paid or maybe she did not pay, and therefore somehow they started arguing. And the mother claimed that the company worker yelled at her daughter, and then the daughter responded. But I don't think so, because in that country, if you go there, I've been in Dubai, very quiet. Everybody knows that. Their quietness is not because they no fit shout. It's because the law prohibits people from shouting. So this woman now yelled at the worker, the co-worker, or whoever that is there, inside the company, disturbing the peace of the workers there. So she is now in a mess. And I'm saying this or reading this news so that you mind yourself. It's not only in Dubai, it's also in so many places, like even Germany. You're not supposed to yell, to shout anyhow. They can call police for you. And if care is not taken, you face a strafe. They call it strafe, that is fine. So this news, me myself, I'm surprised to see it. I'm noticing it that they can. These Americans, if now people now will say, nah, because not Nigerian. No, this is American citizen, an influencer for that matter. So my people, make I end this news here. May not too long. Help me, they click like. Help me, they share. Help me subscribe. Now help help you they give. So so that may I know whether YouTube could they expand my videos reach. If not, now waste of time now we they do here. Thank you.